We recently traveled to Europe for our Christmas market trip, and today I'm sharing exactly what we packed in our kids' carry ons for a long overnight flight. This was an 8.5 hour evening flight, so the goal was simple: keep them comfortable, entertained, fed, and hopefully, eventually, asleep. Each of my kids, ages 2 and 4, they carry their own backpack, but I was mindful of weight because they definitely weren't able to carry everything themselves. Each of my kids had a very similar carry on with their favorite comfort items, plus a few new things that they were excited about. I packed the basics in their bag and then packed everything up with extra snacks and some extra toys and necessities in my carry on bag. First up was the iPad, an obvious one, but still a must for long flights. Each iPad had a kid safe headphones, and everything was fully downloaded and tested before we left. Next, I packed a mix of familiar favorites and some brand new things, such as coloring books with crayons, paint by number sticker books, and they worked so well for some quiet focus time. I'll link everything I can in the description if you're looking for some ideas. Magnetic travel toys are huge for us: bendy people, magnet sets, and wiki doodle sticks. Fair warning, the wiki sticks do make your hands a little sticky, which I don't love, but my kids are obsessed, so they made the cut. Each bag also had a set of extra clothes. These work as an emergency set of clothes if needed, but I also use them to really reset before landing. Changing into a fresh outfit helps simulate the morning for an overnight flight. And of course, pajamas for sleeping. Each kid got to pick one fluffy to bring. I try to make sure it's not their absolute favorite because, travel sometimes leads to lost items, no matter how careful you are. Because we were traveling to somewhere cold, I packed hats and gloves right in their carry ons. I didn't want to dig through the suitcases after landing, and I wanted those easy to grab so we could bundle up right away. And then I packed a small little snack bag for each of my kiddos in their backpacks. Of course, I had more in mine to avoid meltdowns. Since this was an evening flight, we got to the airport early and visited the United Club, which I love and honestly just sets the mood for the entire trip. The kids grabbed a snack there and a bite to eat. We picked up a few extras, and then about an hour after takeoff, we had dinner. After that, it was time for bed, so not an extreme amount of time to play. All right, so that was everything I packed in my kids' carry on. Now, let's talk about my bag, which was packed and definitely heavy. Now, you're traveling with little kids, and there are just certain things you want close by. So, let's walk through a few of those items that I always pack in my bag that just make things smoother. First, let's talk hydration. I drink a lot of water and usually have my Stanley nearby, but for travel, I use this collapsible water bottle. I also pack straws and some plastic cutlery, which really comes in handy not just on the plane, but throughout the entire trip. I packed a massive snack bag. We didn't go through it all on the plane, but it was really nice to have snacks ready for the first day we arrived. We do typically go to grocery stores and get snacks for the hotel rooms also once we arrive. This is my everything bag. I keep a very similar stash in my purse and the diaper bag really at all times. First, motion sickness meds and those little behind the ear patches. I use these every single time we travel in the car or plane. Ibuprofen, stomach meds, Tums, hand wipes, diaper cream, hand sanitizer, pens, hair ties, gum, chapstick, and dog poop bags. Yes, you'd be shocked how often a small bag comes in handy for diapers, trash, or just random messes. And carabiners are a must. I clip bags to the stroller, strap backpacks together, and use them when someone just inevitably got tired of carrying their own, which happened a lot. My last tip is to always pack medications in your carry on. I brought my daily meds, my night guard, band aids, and of course, extra ibuprofen. Anything we absolutely needed stayed with me. This setup worked really well for our family on a long international overnight flight. If you're traveling with kids, save this for later. I'll link everything I can in the description to make packing super easy for you.